The 2025 BMW Z4 is a thrilling roadster that combines elegance with high-performance engineering. BMW has refined the Z4 for 2025, making it an even more appealing option for sports car enthusiasts who crave a blend of luxury and driving excitement. With sleek styling, powerful engine options, and advanced technology, the latest Z4 continues BMW's legacy of producing driver-focused convertibles. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW Z4 offers multiple powertrain choices, catering to different driving preferences. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering strong acceleration and impressive efficiency. For those seeking more excitement, the M40i variant boasts a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, producing significantly more horsepower and torque. This ensures rapid acceleration and a thrilling driving experience, whether cruising along highways or tackling tight corners on winding roads. The rear-wheel drive layout, combined with an advanced suspension system, provides precise handling and a balanced ride, making the Z4 one of the best-handling roadsters in its class. The exterior of the 2025 BMW Z4 showcases BMW's signature design language with sharp lines, an aggressive front fascia, and a wide stance that gives it a sporty presence. The kidney grille is more refined, and adaptive LED headlights add a modern touch while enhancing visibility during night driving. The retractable soft top can be opened or closed in seconds, allowing drivers to switch between coupe-like comfort and open-air excitement effortlessly. New color options and wheel designs further enhance customization, ensuring that the Z4 appeals to a broad range of buyers looking for a personalized touch. Inside the cabin, the 2025 BMW Z4 offers a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort and support, especially during spirited driving. Premium leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and aluminum or carbon fiber trim elevate the sense of luxury. A digital instrument cluster and an updated infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen keep drivers connected and informed. BMW's iDrive system has been refined for better usability, supporting voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The premium audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, ensuring that both music and navigation prompts are heard with perfect clarity. When it comes to performance, the 2025 BMW Z4 delivers an exhilarating experience. The base engine offers strong acceleration, but the M40i variant truly shines with its explosive power delivery and responsive handling. The precise steering and well-tuned suspension provide excellent feedback, making the car a joy to drive on both city streets and winding mountain roads. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly and quickly, ensuring that the Z4 remains engaging whether in daily commuting or spirited weekend drives. Multiple drive modes allow customization of the driving experience, from comfortable cruising to aggressive sport settings. Safety and driver assistance features in the 2025 BMW Z4 ensure confidence on the road. Advanced driver assist technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking come standard or as optional upgrades. These features enhance safety without compromising the pure driving experience that the Z4 is known for. The well-built chassis and advanced safety systems provide peace of mind for both the driver and passenger. BMW has continued to refine the Z4's balance between performance and efficiency. The lightweight construction and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to improved fuel economy. Without sacrificing power, the inclusion of mild hybrid technology in some variants further boosts efficiency and reduces emissions. This ensures that drivers can enjoy a powerful roadster while maintaining respectable fuel economy figures. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 BMW Z4 is its ability to blend practicality with excitement. Unlike some two-seater sports cars that sacrifice comfort for performance, the Z4 remains a well-rounded option. The trunk space is surprisingly generous for a roadster, providing enough room for weekend getaways or daily essentials. The well-insulated cabin minimizes road noise when the top is up, making it comfortable for long-distance drives. The seamless transition from a coupe-like setup to an open-top roadster makes it versatile for various driving conditions. BMW's reputation for precision engineering and innovation is evident in the latest Z4. The combination of lightweight materials, powerful engines, and advanced technology ensures that it remains a competitive choice in the luxury roadster segment. The 2025 model builds on the success of its predecessors, refining the formula with better performance, updated styling, and enhanced technology. Whether for casual weekend drives or spirited backroad adventures, the Z4 offers an unmatched combination of excitement and sophistication. For those who appreciate a well-balanced sports car that delivers both performance and comfort, the 2025 BMW Z4 is an excellent choice. It embodies the essence of BMW's driving philosophy, offering precise handling, thrilling acceleration, and a luxurious interior wrapped in an eye-catching design. The latest updates solidify its position as one of the best roadsters available today. Next General Rides is your go-to channel for the latest automotive reviews, featuring in-depth looks at new models, expert analysis, and detailed insights into the cars of the future. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest releases, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more exciting car content, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more from Next General Rides.